Hello viewers, welcome to Corpo Any. Today I have find out here the new design the food restaurants apps you need to find and pretty good designs, and these designs are the created Yagniks Piperias are the making these designs, and you need to completely with here the prototypes with the connection interlinking between here the two screens need to also show here the flow. First of all, you need to see this here the app names is the Foodybite like this. Set here the names for this persons, and we need to look like this here the goods image and good UI need to making here. And then after you need to use this here the three different colors for the theme purpose. You need to use this here the blue, dark blue and light dark blue. You need to use this here three colors. You need to like this here the settings here. So like this is the app themes, and here the fonts use here the like this here the Josephine's fonts, sans fonts you need to using here the bold, semi bolds and regular fonts here the using here. And then after the here the showing like this UI for the home screens need to show like here the good UI inside the trending restaurants categories and friend list. Also need to show this here the home screens like this here, and bottom tab bars also need to set here. And then after here the look like this here the pretty good this here the filter UI inside the selecting here the categories and distance points, and to ratings wise need to applying here the filters for this screens. And this is the user profile screens. Inside we need to showing this here the user image, names, email address, totals, review, followers, followings, edit profile settings, and related to restaurant showing here, created post we need to show here. And here the another the add review screens. Inside you need to particular restaurants need to give this here the ratings and review need to write down here, and like this here the good screens UI need to show here and set this here. And here start this here the flow, and to this is the start here the onboarding screens. Then after the email login screens, and need to forget password screen and register screen, and this is the welcome screens. Look like this here the show pretty good. And also here the give this here the buttons on the on GPS like here showing here. And this is the home flow here the list out here the home screens. You need to show like this here the home tabs. Then after the click on here and opening this here the filter screens and see all restaurant trendings. You need to show like this here the list UI need to show like this here the screens. And this is the restaurant details screens, and inside you need to showing this here the all menus photo need to show like this here, and full screens UI image you need to showing like this here the preview for the image screens you need to show here. And this is the rating UI give this here the rating and review need to screen here, and select this here the user rates and enters the experience of this restaurant. So need to write down here and give this here the restaurants against need to review. And this likes here the showing this here the all user giving this here the review list. You need to showing like here's how many give this here the rates, and also need to show here the review notes. You need to show here. And here this is the list out of the total the category list. Look like this here the showing here. And then after need to show like this here the category details food list. You need to showing like here the restaurant names need to list here to show. And we need to find out here the friend list. Also need to like this here the contacts and suggestions. You need to like this screens here the show, and to social media like this your UI we need to showing here. And this is the particular users profile. Look like this here the show review, followers, followings, follows and blocks. These users need to not showing, and to write down here the set here the block UI. And also need to show this here the inside need to list out of the restaurants you need to showing here for these persons. And here the new review right here the flow like this showing here, and we need to set this UI. And also need to this favorite list and notification list UI also need to show here the favorite tabs. And then after the open this here the restaurants UI, and to show this here the menu and restaurant review like this screens you need to showing. And this is the notification tab screens, and look like this here the showing, and the all every notification list of need to show like this here. So also need to show this here the right sides at the time like here. And this is the last steps, and we need to use this here the profiles and setting flow. Need to edit profiles and settings, and give this here the posted restaurant list need to show followers, following screens. Then after the review screen, setting screen, change password screens. Then after change language, setting screens, and edit profile screens. Then after here the edit and delete this like this here the UI need to pop up edit review. And then after the my profiles, are you sure what to delete post this to deleting pop-ups you need to show like this here. And here the connecting with each other screens you need to how to connect here the flow. Every flow need to show inside the prototypes inside the XD files and look like this here the show here. And this designs also need to download. This is the variables, and you need to use this here the this data and here to download these files XD files. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notification and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment section. So I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care. And tomorrow to start this here, the app design, so need to starting here the crash to this projects. Yeah, every points you need to explain in details. Let's start.